Region 2 or the Cagayan Valley region nicknames: Batanes, the home of the Ibatons, and the nature's playground;
Cagayan, the land of smile and beauty;
Isabela, the Queen Province of the North and the top corn producer of the Philippines;
Quirino, the forest heartland of Cagayan Valley;
and Nueva Vizcaya, the citrus capital of the Philippines and the watershed haven of Cagayan Valley.
The regional center and the largest city of Cagayan Valley is the city of Tuguegarao, the premier Ibanag city.
Follow and subscribe to the Stroll Guys for more videos like this.